Welcome to our educational video on the impact of lawsuits on medical malpractice premiums. Lawsuits can have a significant impact on medical malpractice premiums, affecting healthcare providers and insurance professionals alike. Let's explore the relationship between lawsuits and medical malpractice premiums in detail. When healthcare providers face medical malpractice lawsuits, insurance companies often have to pay out significant amounts in settlements or judgments. These costs are then passed on to healthcare providers in the form of higher premiums. As the frequency and severity of lawsuits increase, insurance companies adjust their premiums to compensate for the financial risks they face. Insurance companies assess the risk associated with insuring healthcare providers based on various factors, including the number of lawsuits filed against them. Providers with a history of lawsuits or higher chances of facing lawsuits are considered higher risk and may face higher premiums. The potential costs of defending and settling claims are taken into account when determining premiums. The location where healthcare providers practice also plays a role in determining medical malpractice premiums. Some regions have a higher frequency of medical malpractice lawsuits or larger settlement amounts, leading to higher premiums for healthcare providers in those areas. The legal climate and regulations specific to each region can influence the number and severity of lawsuits, thus impacting insurance premiums. The fear of lawsuits can lead to defensive medicine practices, where healthcare providers order additional tests, procedures, or treatments to avoid potential legal claims. This defensive approach increases healthcare costs and can contribute to higher premiums. Insurance companies consider these factors when determining the risk profile of healthcare providers and setting premiums accordingly. In some cases, legislative efforts to reform the tort system can impact medical malpractice premiums. Tort reform aims to limit the amount of damages awarded in medical malpractice lawsuits or introduce other measures to reduce the frequency and cost of litigation. These reforms can lead to lower premiums for healthcare providers as they reduce the financial risks associated with lawsuits. It's important to note that the relationship between lawsuits and medical malpractice premiums is complex and influenced by various factors. By understanding the impact of lawsuits on premiums, healthcare providers can make informed decisions about their malpractice insurance coverage and risk management strategies. Thank you for watching our educational video on this important topic.